Hi guys, I wanted to show you a couple of exercises that I've been doing to keep myself busy. So if you want to join me, come join me, grab a ball. You can probably do some of these without a ball, so be creative. Let's go. So just pushing up and over. My ankles are crossed. Trying to keep a straight line. Let's just do 5 here. You can go all the way up to 15. Other side. Start with the left foot in front of your right ankle. Hand behind the head and reach over. 2. One side is usually easier than the other. 3. 4. 5. And then come out on your knees. And I'm in a prayer position with your forearms on the ball. Move the ball away from you. Still on the forearms on the ball. Find a comfortable angle and you just create circles. Lift your belly, tuck your tailbone. I like to do like 5 each side and then just repeat for as many cycles as you can. Usually I'll do like 2 or 3 cycles. And then lie on your back. So this will get the back of your body. So you crunch here, and then you push the ball away and lift up into a bridge. Inhale to lift, exhale to crunch. Woo-hoo. The faster you go, the more stability you need. And then I like to top it off with just these little fun circles. Just to loosen things up. Thanks, see you next time.